The Advanced Management Program in Healthcare is a transformative program for healthcare professionals at ISB.
I'm Dr. Saranya.
Hi, I'm Dr. Stephen.
Hi, I'm Dr. Shashikant.
Hi, my name is Anuja Parekh Singh.
Hi, I'm Colonel Siddharth with the AMP cohort of 25.
As a part of this, we wanted to give the students, participants, learning opportunity outside the classroom and outside the usual healthcare hospital environment they are in. So over the 3 days, the students had multiple visits to organizations. We had guest lectures from practicing practitioners and entrepreneurs so that they could interact in a small setting and learn from these interactions. So we had Bharat Gera, who has been a healthcare professional, consultant and an expert for over 3 decades, sharing human-centric healthcare design, challenges of using AI in healthcare with the participants.
So we explored how AI in healthcare is disrupting the entire healthcare ecosystem, right from drug discovery to the patient interaction with the healthcare system. And while exploring it, we discovered that there are obstacles such as cost, reliability, validity of the technologies to put them into production.
Hi, I'm Meena Ganesh. I'm the co-founder and chairperson of BPL Medical, which is an outside of hospital healthcare company. Yeah, so outside of hospital healthcare is a key portion of the healthcare industry which did not exist, if you believe it or not, 10 years back. It's very interesting to come and meet the healthcare professionals who are going through this program on advanced management in healthcare. The students are obviously, because of all the experience that they bring, had the questions which are very thoughtful, and some of the questions that were posed by Ganesh, who's the facilitator, there were very interesting and different answers that they came up with, which made me also think.
I think for all leaders, there are really just 2 problems as you grow higher in the ladder. One is people problems and the second is decision-making problems. I think one core message would be that healthcare is a difficult industry to build in, and if that's the industry you've chosen to play in, it would behoove you to make sure that you've got your eyes and ears open and you're not biased or overly attached to your product or the problem you're solving. You have to be agile. You have to be willing to pivot. Business models, channels, people you're selling to, pricing models, you have to be very agile.
Then we visited MediBuddy, budding startup, unicorn valuation, the largest healthcare platform which all of us are familiar with. And there the doctors and the participants of AMPH program got to speak with Satish Kannan, the founder, learnt about what drives the business.
Something which is very unique about MediBuddy was that it is a healthcare platform which is able to bridge the clinicians part of it, the payers, the providers, as well as the patients as such.
So during the study trek, we had the privilege of visiting MediBuddy's offices. They have made vast strides in AI. So they're using AI as a tool for doctors during the teleconsultation. So I think for me, that was really a game changer. They got very accurate models based on their own data. It would be very interesting to watch their journey forward. I think they plan to move further into value-based care. So that was a great visit, and I'm glad we had that opportunity to go there.
Next day, we visited Center for Brain Research at Indian Institute of Science.
It was a very interesting day for us. We got to interact with a lot of scientists and researchers at the Center for Brain Research, and we had some interesting sessions which threw a lot of insight into the kind of research that's happening here. Basically, there's a lot of research happening on dementia and neurodegenerative diseases.
The study track has been excellent exposure for me because we got
to learn so much from all the different aspects of healthcare.
Hi, I'm Dr. Shravan Subramanyam, MD of BPL Medical Technologies. Just had a wonderful session with students of the Advanced Management Program, Healthcare. If COVID has taught us one thing, it is the importance of being ready with the right products in medical technology.
The one takeaway that I would want to share with all of us is the transparency the leadership has in executing the leadership in this company, the ethical quotient that they maintain, and the way they engage with the staff is really awesome.
Great insights from the eminent speakers on the variety topics and valuable inputs during the visits to various organizations like MediBuddy, BPL, MedTech, and the IISc Brain Research.
Being a doctor in this healthcare management space, getting out of the consultation rooms and getting into innovation hubs, this is where a lot of work is going on actually, and that is a wonderful experience in itself. For healthcare to flourish, it isn't enough that we work in silos. Most important takeaway would be that, you know, doctors, entrepreneurs, engineers, we're all working in collaboration, and that's the way forward.
So the study trek has been an absolute eye-opener. The moment you take your classroom teaching to practical clinical visits, it changes the entire experience.
So in short, it was a well-rounded study trek catering to multiple learning opportunities, both within the classroom, in the visit, interaction with founders in a small intimate setting, and some of the fun activities.